Hey guys, it's Katie.
And I'm Josh.
And we work for San Diego Pools.
We're up here in Alpine at one of our more recent builds that lacks nothing. An oversized spa with a tiered tile spillway into a large waiting area that cascades into the lower pool.
And some amazing fire bowls. Let's go check it out.
Have you been thinking about a staycation? Then this is the pool for you.
This private and secluded home resort is nestled in the hills of East County.
We have an island spa with tiered cascade water feature that flows all the way down to the pool below.
The pool is the perfect size for swimming laps or just taking a dip to cool off. Call us today for a free consultation.
I love my San Diego pool.